In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable desktop notifications for WhatsApp Web. By the end, your computer will alert you when new messages arrive, even if the tab isn't in front of you, so you won't miss important chats while you work. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari all work well, and search for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result that takes you to web.whatsapp.com. This is the secure website that mirrors your chats from your phone to your desktop. Make sure you have a stable internet connection on both your computer and your phone so the session stays linked. Next, sign in. Most people will scan a QR code using the WhatsApp app on their phone. On your phone, open WhatsApp, go to the menu for linked devices, and scan the QR on your computer screen. Some regions also allow login with a phone number. If you see that option, follow the on-screen prompts. Either way, you'll be logged into the same account you use on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for a banner near the top of the page that says, "Turn on desktop notifications." It may appear in blue or green and is easy to miss if you scroll past quickly. Click it to start enabling alerts. When you click the banner, your browser will show a permission pop-up asking if the site can send notifications. Choose Allow. This gives WhatsApp Web permission to show notification banners on your desktop and play a sound if you have sounds enabled in WhatsApp's own settings. If you don't see the banner, or if you previously blocked notifications, you'll need to change the permission manually in your browser. Click the three dots in your browser's upper right corner to open the menu, then go to Settings and open Privacy and Security. This is where browsers keep website permissions and data controls. In Privacy and Security, select Site Settings, then find Notifications. This page lists sites that are allowed or blocked from sending alerts. You can also search within this page if there are many entries. Find web.whatsapp.com in the list and set it to Allow. This change takes effect immediately. If WhatsApp Web is open in another tab, switch back to it and, if needed, refresh the page so the permission is recognized. You should now receive notification banners whenever new messages arrive, even when the browser is minimized. That's it. You've enabled desktop notifications for WhatsApp Web, keeping you responsive without constantly checking your phone. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother messaging workflow.